Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know, my name Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite. Yeah, you can call me an ancient high priest. Uh, I'm only seeing you and ugochitubelu na temple. I na agba family name because all the money is. I am looking philosophy and life. Philosophy and life wo ga eji akọwa gbasara ihe omimi, ihe na-eme na ndụ ya na amamihe nke ụwa. O nwere trending video na njiwa bịa n'ụbọchị taa na anya na trending video.
Let's talk about river spirits, shall we?
We do not mess around with the river spirits.
Yes. Ya bụ trending video ahụ na-akọwa gbasara nature beings, water elemental beings. Dịka esi kọwa bụrụ mbụ, enwere natural forces. Enwere ndị ikuku, enwere ndị anyanwụ, enwere ndị mmiri, enwere ndị ala. Akwụgoro m ga-emelite gwa na ndị mmiri bụ the water sprite and the mermaids. Na ndị ọdịfama ya gbasara afọ enwere sat, ndị anyanwụ, enwere salamander, ndị ikuku, enwere elves, gnomes, elves ndị na-egro plants, trees. Then enwere gnomes, ndị na-egro rock. Here niile are mysteries of life which beyond their comprehension. And I'm here to tell you now, what you don't know remains a mystery to you alone and not to all. Now, once you build personal relation with all these elemental beings, entities of powers, it's for your own benefit. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-aga na-agwa ndị mmadụ na ndị ọcha enwere ihe ha ji spirituality eme. Onye gwara? Ama na ọtụtụ ndị na-ekwu ihe na social media, ụfọdụ n'ime ha aka ọsụbọrọdụ outside Nigeria, ma ọ nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ụmụ obere African country ka ọ na-eji. Onye gwara? I have been in many festivals outside this country. I can tell you now, ndị ọcha don't joke with spirituality. They don't joke with it. At least if you go on for a white woman, yes, an European woman na-akọwa gbasara the belief in the elementals. Yes. Why so many people are endangering themselves? Because how more the importance of being at peace, building personal relations with these elemental forces. They will always fight your battle because we are in warfare in this gross material world, and there are many unseen spirits. And the more you maraha, the better for you. The more you maraha, they make so many things better for you. So ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ gara asị gị na ndị Afrịka na ndị ọcha enidiri ọgọ ọrụ nwanye nke na-apụta ụbọchị na Facebook na-ekwu na nwere ihe dịka Chukwu. Ihe niile na-eme n'oge but we don't na anyị enidiri God. Onye iberibe na-ekwu na Chukwu adịrọ. I can tell you na mmụọ dị ụwa anyị nọ na ya bụ ụwa mmụọ. Yes, all the spiritual movements all over the world, ndị ọcha bụ the founders. Are you talking about the Ekmaster? The religion of light and sound, the Eka. The Grandmaster, the Mahanta, is from America. They are talking about spirituality. Yes. And well, the religion of the light, the grey message. The founder is a German, Abroshin, but reside in Austria. Yes, they speak German too. Austria is a border town, a border country with Germany. He lives in mountain, Vomperberg. But I can tell you, he's a white man, a German. Is it to mention all those other many fraternities and everything? And what any better fraternity that was founded by Nigerians? So Kerekisi I put in the one heard Basaro spirituality. I can mention many. Is it Buddhism, Shintoism, and the rest of them? They are not blacks, they are whites. So what am I saying in essence? That you don't believe in spirituality does not means that another person does not believe in spirituality. But in Maria and Maria, the benefit keep eluding you. I can tell you. The mother said the Imam Muamaka. Imam Madamaka, yes. The two are called the Imam Muamaka. Because the spiritual control the physical. If you are build personal relation with the spiritual forces, they will always make many things easier for you in the world of the physical. Yes, enwelu entities of powers, enwelu supernatural beings, enwelu primordial queen, akọla eze nwanyị nke eluigwe. Enwere realms, enwere kingdoms, enwere planet, enwere universe. All these are entities of powers. Then charge and govern these entities and this creation. The more you build a personal relation with them, the more waga madagema. Get up, video. Thank you.
Let's talk about river spirits, shall we?
We do not mess around with the river spirits. So, who are river spirits exactly? Well, they're not fairies. River spirits are nature spirits that are known to cause chaos. They're water elementals. They're, emotional. And they will absolutely fuck shit up for you. How do you do that? How do you accomplish that? Show up to the river. Clean it up. Leave them offerings of things like fruit, flowers, maybe even some sweets, and tell them your problems. Tell them what that person did to you. Tell them who it is, and then give them that person's name. Once you give them that name on a rock, off into the water, if they accept your petition, they take care of it for you.